welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Nicole, and today I am going to be doing a hair product review. I recently received a package from this hair company. They're based on Instagram, but she has her own website as well. It's called Row Hair Essentials, and I've been wanting to try like a new line of products, so I decided to try this hair product line, and it is like black castor oil based, you know, like that's what each product has in it, black castor oil. So I'm just going to show you what it looks like in the packaging. The packaging is really nice. It looks just like this, like a black and green theme. I have the black castor oil deep conditioner, the black castor oil hair growth serum, black castor oil conditioner, the black castor oil shampoo, and the black castor oil hair mist, which is actually like a leave-in conditioner. So I'm going to be using all of these products today. I will say that my hair is extremely dirty just because I have been wearing protective styles. So what I'm going to do today is I'm going to take you guys along the journey with me of me washing my hair, conditioning my hair, deep conditioning my hair, and using the leave-in styling product after everything is done. And I'm also going to use the hair growth serum as well. And I'll just continue to give you guys my honest opinion throughout the video on how the products make my hair feel and if I would continue to use this product. I will leave her Instagram and the website link and all that in the description box down below, so you guys can definitely go ahead and check that out and head over to her Instagram to see different posts and other people's reviews, not just mine. From what I've seen, a lot of people like her product. So without further ado, I'm going to get into the video. I'm going to head over to the shower so we can wash this hair. So I'm just gonna go ahead and make sure my hair is wet so that I can apply the shampoo. And it smells so good, y'all. It really does smell like green apples. You're gonna hear me say that a ton in this video, but I went ahead and made sure that the shampoo lathered up in my scalp, and I even scratched my scalp to get all the gunk and stuff out of my scalp from the protective hairstyle that I was wearing. And I washed my hair twice. I normally only do it one time with shampoo, but since my hair was dirty, I did it twice. Next, I'm going to go ahead and apply the conditioner in my hair. I was hyped, y'all, because not a lot of conditioners that I find have a lot of slip to it, but this one did, and I really love that whenever a conditioner has a lot of slip. Now I'm just going to comb through my hair, tangling it with my wide tooth comb. Y'all, my hair feels so soft, but it's dripping wet still because I'm about to apply the deep conditioner in my hair while I'm in the shower. This is what it looks like. Looks like whipped cream almost. I'm gonna take this much and I'm going to apply it. This deep conditioner had a lot of slip to it too. It made my hair feel really soft, so I made sure to be very generous with this and evenly distribute it throughout my hair. Okay, now I'm just going to put on a shower cap and just allow this to sit in my hair for about, I'm going to say like 30 minutes. Okay, while this is sitting in my hair, I figured that I'd come to you guys and talk to you guys a little bit about the products. When I was washing my hair with the shampoo to me felt more like a clarifying shampoo rather than a moisturizing shampoo. It's just my opinion. I'm not saying that the shampoo isn't good, because it is. It was very good. It got all of the gunk and stuff out of my hair. I love that about the shampoo. But the conditioner when I put that conditioner in my hair, you know how sometimes clarifying shampoos can make your hair feel a little dry, you know, and you're like, okay, what's going on? No, honey, when you use that conditioner, let me tell you, the moisture went right back into my hair. I couldn't even believe it. Like, no other shampoo or conditioner duo has ever done that to my hair besides my Camille Rose conditioner and shampoo. My Aussie Moisture conditioner, it does that for me, but I don't use the shampoo because the shampoo is trash, but the conditioner is the truth. So that's what it reminded me of. I like that. I would buy it again. I really would use that shampoo and conditioner duo again. It was really nice. The deep conditioner, I like the way the deep conditioner is making my hair feel right now. It's really like tingly and like, you know, it's just giving me a sense of like a clean, refreshing feeling. So I do like that. That's a plus. I can't wait to see how my hair looks once I wash this out of my hair. So I'm going to go ahead and wash this out of my hair soon, and as soon as I do that, I will come back to you guys and show you how my hair looks. Okay, real quick, y'all, I just wanted to come on here and show you guys what my hair looks like. I let this sit, the deep conditioner, sit in my hair for like 2 hours, what, girl, like 30 minutes. I let it sit in my hair. My hair type is 3B, 3C, just to give you an idea of like how it would look on somebody with similar hair texture as mine. This is what it's looking like. My hair feels soft, but the product is still in it. So let me go ahead and wash it out, and I'll come back and show you guys the result. Okay, so now that I washed my hair, I just have it in this t-shirt. I'm gonna go ahead and let my hair down. So my hair feels soft. It feels very clean. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and section my hair into 4 sections and then apply this leave-in conditioner. Okay, so I'm going to start off with the back section. As y'all know, that's my favorite section to start off with. And my hair is a little dry, so I'm going to go ahead and dampen my hair again with my spray bottle. But y'all, look how defined my hair looks. My curls are like very defined. My hair feels very soft and just like lightweight and like very just clean. Now that my hair is wet, I'm going to go ahead. The nice thing, the thing that I like the most about this bottle is that it has like a lock on it, so that when you want to travel with it or anything like that, it will not spill out in your purse or your suitcase or whatever it is that you're traveling with it in. So the lock you can see, and you just pull it up and it locks. I like that. So I'm gonna go ahead and shake it up a little bit and then spike. This stuff smells so good, y'all. It smells like apples. Look at that. Okay, so that's period. Okay, I'm just gonna brush it with my dimming brush. Go in with the hair growth castor oil serum. Maybe I should spray it in my hair because it comes out kind of like fast. I don't know if y'all can see it. So yeah, I'm gonna just spray it in my hair. Oh my gosh. I'm gonna spray some on my tips of my fingers and get it in my scalp because it's a hair growth serum and we want all the growth. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and do that to the rest of my hair. I'm just gonna speed up the video a little bit so that I will slow it down and come back to you guys when I reach the front. This product really did define my hair. It really defined my curls and made my hair feel really moisturized. I'm just going to get a little closer so you guys can see all the definition. Okay guys, so I'm done applying the product. I applied the hair mist, which is leave-in conditioner, and I also applied the hair oil. It's a hair growth serum. I'm going to diffuse my hair and pick it out and fluff it out a little bit and then come back to you guys with my final review and the pricing of each product. So now I'm gonna go ahead and tell you guys the pricing. So the hair growth serum that I was using as like my oil, this is listed at $14. The conditioner is listed at $15. The deep conditioner is listed at $15. The hair mist is listed at $14 on the website, and the shampoo is listed at $15 on the website. My honest opinion about these hair products, I really do like the hair care line. The whole system that she has is very good. I like the conditioner. The conditioner is my favorite. I really love a conditioner that has a lot of slip for my hair. I hate when I get a conditioner and doesn't do the job it's supposed to do, but for this line in particular, I do love the conditioner. I also like the deep conditioner as well. I did like the deep conditioner. It left my hair feeling very moisturized, very shiny. My curls were very defined and I like that. The shampoo, like I said, to me, in my opinion, it wasn't all that moisturizing. It was more so like a clarifying shampoo, which I don't mind. I like clarifying shampoos. So I really do like that. So I know that I can use that shampoo whenever I feel like my hair is dirty and it needs to be washed very good. So I like that shampoo. The hair mist mixed with the oil was a good combo for my hair. My hair really liked it. All in all, I like everything about this line. The scent of it really smells really good. It smells like apples. It's a very refreshing scent. It's something that I'll enjoy. It's not overpowering. Like, you know how you get a lot of other hair products and it's like a perfumey smell and it's very overpowering. This isn't overpowering at all. It smells like green apples. It smells so good. That is it. That is all I have for today. I hope you guys all enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to give it a big thumbs up. Please subscribe to my channel, turn on your post notifications so that you can be notified every time that I upload a new video. And don't forget, all of the information for each and every one of these products will be listed in the description box below. So go check that out. I will have her Instagram on there and I will have her website. And yeah, see you guys in my next video. Hope you guys all enjoyed this hair product.